Hi guys, a very good evening to all. Shubham Agarwal this side, and today I am going to discuss about a dashboard which I have created, and I'm going to explain the steps which I have followed for this. And it will take around 30 to 40 minutes in the preparation of this. So before explaining to about the dashboard, I would like to explain about the dataset. So let me do one thing. So yes, here is my dataset. So if required, you can mention your emails. I will directly send this dataset to you in my comment section, right? So yes, our data contains the region, the country, the sales representatives, the first name, the last name, their gender, age, rank levels, right? The ranks and the products, in which particular products they are dealing into, the years. So specifically the datasets only includes the 2 years, that is the 2019 and 2020. If I would apply the filter and show you, so you can see that the data is only of the 2019 to 2020 only, right? And here I'm having the quarter wise results also. I'm having the 4 quarters, that is the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. I'm having the month revenue, right? So this is about the data set, and let me show you the dashboard which I have created using this. So yes, uh, okay, so here is my data with the sheet I am having, and here I have created the measures. Okay, and to create the measures you simply click over here, more options, and the new measure will appear. Yeah, and here is my new measure. You can simply give the name. Say for example, I want uh, the total number of this representatives, right? So let us firstly define this column name, that is the total number of representative, right? And simply write count of, and here I will get all the field names. Say for example, I want total sales representative. So just simply click the enter. So the machine will begin to work over it. And yes, here I will get the total number of representative. So in this way you can handle some of the calculation in the Power BI if you want, right? And yeah, so yes, in this way you can do some of the calculations. And through this you can also make the measure using this enter data. You just simply click over here and simply give the this name, and this just simply click over the load button. You will get the options to create the measure in the Power BI, right? Right, so in this way you can handle all the calculation and the measure if you want some insights from the data. So say for example, these are the 4 measures which I have created. Okay, let me hide that. Okay, so I have made the total revenue, right? The average revenue. For average you simply choose the measure and write the name of the column and put and use the function of the average and just select the particular column. So I am having the total of this countries, that is the 408, right? I think there is some issue with my this. I need to check. And but yes, I'm having the total of 408 transactions as per my dataset. And what I have did, I have inserted the slicers, 2 slicers, right? One is the year and one I have made over the basis of the quarters. So if I would show you here, I'm having the option of the slicers, right? So here I am having the slicer option. So you simply just click over here and the option will appear, right? And if I show you the slicer settings, I have selected the this style as a tile only. If I select as a vertical list, you will get the checkbox functionality in this. So right, in this way you can do hit and trial method, or you can also apply the drop down in this. So yes, if I would show you, here I am having the list of the drop downs. But yes, as per my this selection, or as per my taste, I usually go with the vertical tiles only, right? And in the same way, I have created this the quarter one. uh, yeah, in the same way I have created this quarter one, right? Here also I have selected this, and if I would show you the settings which I did in the field, you just drop the quarter, and and the column is this. You simply just uh, drag the quarter over here, and the results will be filtered as per the quarter only. So let me hide it and show you the slicer settings. Here I have selected that this the color options you can also add, right? So here I have chosen the pink, so the quarter is in pink color, and you're having the border options, the background, right? So what background you need? Say for example, I need the blue background, so yes, the blue will be highlighted over there. So in the this way you can apply some of the settings as per your taste and preferences, right? So let me explain you the charts which I have chosen. So in this I have used this uh, pie donut chart, right? So here I have this in the legend I have put this region, and in the values I have written on the value of total values, right? So it is giving me the total revenue by region, and you can also change the legend settings if you want, that position you want, the text, right? I So I want in the bold one. So yes, from here you can adjust the boldness of this slices. You can also change the color. Say for example, I need mm, let's say the pink color in this, right? And then I want, say, green color. Yes, one more thing I need to show you, that is the color hunt website. Say for example, here the site is having the many colors. Say for example, you need this color. Okay, so you just copy this color code and go to your Power BI, and say for example here you go and go to more colors and simply text paste that color code. You will automatically get the option of that. So how cool is this, right? Okay, so moving to the next chart, I have made this total revenue and average revenue by country and the region, right? If I would show you, the in x-axis I have kept the countries. Here I'm having all the countries. Let me zoom it for you. Yeah, so here in the x-axis I have put the countries, in the y I have put the total revenue, and in the line wise I have put the average revenue, right? So in this way you can do some of this configuration as per your taste. And in the x-axis I have kept the values as a bold and the color as a black. In the y-axis, what the values I have kept. So yes, these are the some settings or the configuration that I did to make this. uh, and next is my tree chart. So here is the option of the tree chart, right? Or you may also say the tree map. In some this BI tools, we also called it as a tree chart. So let's consider it as a tree map only. So I have this in the category I have put the rank. On the basis of the rank I am doing this, and the values on the basis of which matrix I am using. So I have doing on the basis of the total revenue, right? uh, Let me do one thing. Okay. Okay, so yes, this is the total revenue on the basis of the quarters, right? So here I have chosen this area, what we call is an area chart, right? And then total revenue by the products and the rank. So yes, if I would show you, this is my this ribbon chart. So what is in this the ribbon chart? Over the x-axis I have keep my products, and over the y-axis I have kept my total revenue. And on the basis of this legends, so yes, these are my legends, and I have put the rank over. So over the basis of this ranks, that is ranks, or you may also call that as a store. Store one, store two, store three, store four, store five, right? So over the basis of this, you can do some of the configurations, and let's say on the legend, text is okay. Over the tile ribbons, you can also change the color in the ribbons. Say for example, you need the green color over here, and for this you need some yellow color. So like in this way you can change as per your need and preferences, right? So yes, next is my this the metrics chart. I call in Power BI we have the function of this metrics chart. If I would show you, yeah, so here is my matrix chart. So it is simple. I have just put the rows as the sales representatives, and on the basis I have not put the columns. I simply filtered with the values only. I have put the two values, that is the total transaction and the average transaction, right? So in this way you can make your bi your bi chart using the Power BI. And if you have any doubt and queries regarding this, you may mention in my comments. I will upload another video for this. Mm. But yes, you must try on, and I will be coming up with more charts and more tricks for the dashboards creation and all stuff, right? So let's end for this session. Let's end this session over here only, and I will meet you in the next session. So if yes, if anyone wants this particular data set, they may mention their email address in my comment section. I will be happy to help you people. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Good evening again.